Here we come to the elevator at Lineberger Cancer Research Center at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Interesting, it's got a Southern Elevator nameplate on the call station. Oh, I love the generator sound. Awesome. You hear the relays of this. I don't know if that's a relay clicking behind the COP or the micro switches. We gotta hear this generator. I'm gonna go outside and ring the bell. Oh, it's already lit. 6. Unfortunately, these don't even move. Oh wow, look at this. This thing's got the disappearing indicator. I love the disappearing indicator. Oh, we're gonna end that at 1 because this thing is quite busy. I love the motor on this. All right, I realized that this elevator has up peak mode, but anyways, I just waited 5 minutes till the generator winds down. But anyways, listen to this thing start up as I press the button. Here we go. Oh my heavenly joy. That is the most epic sounding generator startup I have ever heard in my entire life. And now the door decides to close. All right. I thought this elevator was gonna get busy, but apparently it wasn't. This was so worth checking out. You definitely need to fix up that guide rail. But this is definitely worth checking out. All right, now with the door shut and the generator is totally wind down, we can finally get a good listen to it starting up without the doors moving. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you listen to this generator start up one more time. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. How's that for an epic startup, y'all? That is amazing. I love the generator starting up. My gosh, that sounded breathtaking. All right, this time I want to get a close-up view of the disappearing floor number. only 1 and 3 works. All right, down to the basement. Got a good view of that disappearing floor indicator right there. This is very rare to find. All right, we will now end the video on 1. Again, I love the relays. Thanks to Alex, known as Sirens and Elevators, for telling me about this. I didn't even know this existed. Ooh, yummy snacks. In case if I get hungry after riding this old piece of beauty. Okay, it looks like this elevator is gonna stay on peak up again. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is gonna be it.